My main goal is to
draw lots of fish. To achieve that goal, I use GPU instancing. Anyone familiar with Ace Roller's great series about grass rendering should have heard of this. Typically, each mesh that wants to be drawn is sent as a whole from the CPU to the GPU. This includes all vertices, triangles, and other data related to the mesh. Well, if we draw the same mesh multiple times, it is more efficient to just send it once with a command buffer containing all positions the mesh should be drawn at. GPU instancing in Unity is quite easy. All we need is the material, the mesh, and a list of matrices. It also provides other great indirect performance benefits. You see, if done the traditional way, each fish would be its own game object. This introduces multiple overheads. Not only does Unity have to check each game object for all its components and call various method like update on them, even if left empty, they are also stored on the heap. As we all know, the CPU loves nothing more than packed memory. This is simply not the case with regular game objects. With this technique, each fish is represented just by this 4x4 matrix, which we keep in a list. This is optimal for cache hits and CPU predictions. It also allows us to use Unity's job system and burst quite easily. Now you shouldn't rewrite all your game objects to use GPU instancing. On one side is that this technique is inflexible. Visual differences between the instances need to be implemented with custom shaders. Stuff like animators don't work, and optimizations like culling have to be implemented by oneself. A computer can easily handle thousands of game objects. A modern CPU with a clock speed of 3.0 GHz can process 3 billion cycles per second, which is just an insane number.